Okay guys, on 18th of August 2022, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Plant Yard YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, you can see that we have a mature plant of cereus repundas Monstrosa, or which is commonly called as Monstrosa Apple Cactus. So you can see that we have a plant stem cutting. Okay, now we are just going to propagate it with the help of its stem cuttings. Okay, so now we have taken one of its stems and now we are going to take its second stem. The plant, which you can see, is about like 3 to 4 years old. Okay, so now this is our stem which we have taken. Now we will take our third stem, and we can see that in the lower side or in the bottom, we can see that one of stem is there, this one. Okay, so we can take it out like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is our third one. Okay, so now these three are our stem cuttings, and now we have to dry them for some days, for at least like 3 to 4 days. Okay, now on 27th of August 2022, now after several days has been passed, and these cuttings, I have taken these cuttings although there is a little bit of rain. Okay, now we have taken simple soil, and I don't think that there is any sort of like sand in it. It is having a little bit of clay. Okay, and simple garden soil. Okay, so the media is not good. Okay, I can't say that media is very good. It is not so much good. And now I have placed my cutting in it. Okay, this is my first cutting. Now I will place the second cutting in it. So this is my second cutting. Okay, so this is my second cutting. Now I will just gently press it out. Okay, and nothing more is needed. Okay, no special media, nothing more. Okay, once it is established, okay, now I will place my third cutting in it. Now I can see that there is a little bit of sand in this one. Okay, but cactuses have a lot of, like, even some cactuses used to survive in the mainland. Okay, in tropical regions as well. Okay, so they are very hardy. Okay, very much hardy plants. Okay, so now I have placed it like this. Okay, so we have to wait for maybe several weeks. Okay, or several days, so we don't know. Okay, temperature is 23.8 and humidity is 99%. Okay, yeah, humidity is 99%. So okay, now 27th of October 2022, now after a lot of days has been passed. Okay, now you can see that we have got 2 of our cuttings propagated successfully, while one is totally damaged. Okay, it is totally degraded. Okay, now our pots are also a little bit destroyed by some hail. Okay, be careful of thorns. Okay, now you can see that our media is very hard. Yes, it is very hard. Yes. So we have to tape it out with certain thing. Okay, now we have taken it out. We have taken our media. Now I will use my forceps to remove the media so that we can see. Okay, it is a little bit, there is a little bit of sand content. Okay, but it is better to use a lot of sand. like up to 60% sand. Simple construction sand must be used. Okay, so I am taping it. So if the media is soft, it is very good for the plant to start its rooting. Okay, it is very good, and you can see that my media is a little bit hard. Okay, now you can see the results. There are a lot of fibrous roots, you can see. So okay, we can wash it as well. Okay, we can wash the media with the help of water so that one can see the results properly. Okay, so now let me wash. Okay, now after washing, you can see the results, how good it is. Okay, how good it is, how much rooting, a lot of. And you must know that these cactuses are actually the plants of desert. Okay, they used to thrive inside desert, but it doesn't mean that if it is the weather of Pakistan, even the cactus used to die. Okay, due to excessive heat and in rainy season because of humidity. Okay, but cactuses, there is a lot of deaths of succulents in 90% regions within Pakistan and India as well. Okay, so succulents are very rarely used to survive in our area because of excessive heat. In my region, the temperature do not used to cross like 41 or 42 degrees Celsius. But if there are regions which used to cross the temperature limit of like 44 degrees Celsius or 45, then obviously any succulent can die. Okay, even the hardy one like calancho can die. So you can see that I am placing it. Okay, now I'm just taking the soil with my hands, bare hands, and now you can see that I have just put it in like this. Okay, media, I have to use a lot of sand. Okay, so hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.